Comedy creators, what is hashtag stalking? It is your boy Kenyon Long here, and this is your first time here. I drop multiple videos. You might as well go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and join that subscribe gang. I'm here to make you laugh one video at a time and also help you get more likes. All right, so yo, check it out, man. I got another Instagram tip for my comedy creators, man. My comedy creators on Instagram, man. I'm giving you guys another tip, another secret sauce, what I do. It's called hashtag stalking, man. If you get anything out of this, man, make sure you follow me on all the links below on social media, man. I appreciate that. I got your back, man. So we already know, man, all the top dudes on Instagram, King, Batch, all of them, right? All of them, Pat Lucky, none of them use hashtags anymore. So you see all these videos talking about, oh, just use hashtags, but none of the big people use hashtags anymore. And I like to say this, by the time you hit 25,000, you won't have to use hashtags anymore either. But we trying to get to that point, right? We gonna grow up together. So this is one strategy I like to use. It's called hashtag stalking. Basically, what I do is I'll go over to Instagram to the tags page and I'll use just one tag I like to use all the time. Maybe it's called viral post. So I'll put that in and I'll maybe see whoever's the top 3, top 4, top 6, top 8. All right, shouts out to MySpace, even though they just deleted all of my music from college. And so I like to see whoever made a comedy skit or is comedy related, go in there, because you know people be putting other stuff there too, right? You know, IG models. So go in there, see what they're doing, right, and see what the hashtags they use. And I'll go look at that hashtag and I'll put that hashtag in and I'll just go ahead and add that hashtag to my hashtag quarter pounder sandwich. That's right, man. You want some big ones, you want some middle ones, and you want some small ones. And of course you want your own hashtag. Hashtag Kenyon Comedy. So do that, and that's called hashtag stalking. Just boom, 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 boom. So you're using different hashtags, and that's called hashtag stalking, man. Ain't nothing wrong with it, all right? So, yo, and that's just a mega tip, man. Mega tip I love to do, man. Hashtag stalking, putting it on there, man. Once you get to 20,000 followers, man, you don't have to worry about hashtags anymore unless you're getting paid for it. You feel me? So, yo, if you found anything, you understand that tip, man, any value in that, make sure you follow me on all the social media links below. And you know, guys, I'm dropping more tips on this YouTube channel, only on my YouTube channel, so you already know what to do. Hit the subscribe button, but there's another video right now that could probably help you too. So you might as well go ahead and hit that button right now and click on and watch that video.